Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix left Alt and Windows key if it's swapped. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Okay. So the first fix here, go ahead and hold Function key and S. Again, Function key plus S for about 4 to 7 seconds. Okay. Other once that's done, go ahead and test your Alt and Windows key. If not, Function plus A. These two right here. Or even Function plus W. Try it. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and try. For most keyboards, it will work. Okay. Most especially for external ones. So Function plus spacebar. Hold it for about 3 to 8 seconds. And then once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, okay, on your keyboard, depending on your keyboard layout. So, for example, you have a laptop, you'll be able to see extra buttons right here at the very top. Okay, you may find a button called, what do you call this? A switcher. Okay, it is a keyboard switch that you can go ahead and tap for you to be able to switch to iOS mode, to Windows mode, or vice versa. Go ahead and tap on it, and then once done, test if it helps. All right, that's basically it. That is how you fix left Alt key and Windows key if it's swapped. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.